Hey, you can't choose your noob skin.
I can't.
There's a girl, I think.
Really?
Zohaib.
Kai? Oh my fuck. I'm gonna be a girl. I'm
Zohaib.
gonna finger myself.
Oh my god. ओ भाई इधर तो ताजमहल बना हुआ है।
मेरी तो उसे जूतिया है।
भाई पूरा ताजमहल है इधर।
ओ अपन भी जाएगा।
They must have gone to Rishi. They must have
नहीं,
gone to
नहीं,
Rishi.
नहीं।
I see people. I see
टिकट है
people.
जोहेब, टिकट करके जाना पड़ेगा।
There's people. Can you see?
Wait.
How do you see Rafid? I have a 4K TV yet I don't see anything.
मेरे पास आंखें हैं. अच्छा, there's people northeast. There's people over here. There's a big pot over here, and there's two minis over here, and there's a blue SMG over here.
Somebody carry minis. I'm bringing the big pot. Okay, you know what? I'll carry minis.
I'm carrying 6 already. I can't do more. Sorry.
I think so. Zohaib should drink one.
There's more minis over here.
What? I'm human, fam. Wow, he even turned the fan on. What a harami is.
Are people fighting over there? I think so. I know what he's trying to do, little dumbass.
Oh my
क्या हुआ?
Mehdi always pisses Rafid off. तेरे ओ इसका हार्पून में तो हमारा हार्पून हो जाएगा.
Oh bhai, I think so this guy's scared now. He just saw what happened to me. We just started building like crazy.
ये कौन था? एक तो हो रहा।
अबे कौन मरा?
मेहदी।
Obviously, Mehdi. What do you think? कोई मेहदी को रिवाइव कर दे।
आ रहा।
Nice. I hit him for 132 with a. I hit him for 132 with a great hack. Oh my god. Blue pump over here. ये कोकीन कौन कर रहा है? Blue tag over here.
Can somebody blow me off?
Oh my god, this guy.
मेहदी करेगा you know. कहाँ है मेहदी?
Behind you. As if he was ready to do it.
Oh yeah, let's go. Aista.
Oh my god, they're actually doing
Aista.
it.
Oh my
god.
Aista. Oh, why'd you come out?
For fuck's sake.
Sorry, I couldn't last long.
At least I got some on my face.
He is giving a blowjob last long का क्या है इसमें?
It's okay, we had sex.
Musiki, why are you going alone? Musiki, why are you going alone?
No, I'm hiding.
You have shotgun ammo?
Yup.
लाओ.
ओ भाई किसी ने इसकी का तो फुल रेप कर दिया.
Someone put proximity mines in the triple chest area.
Sneaky bitch.
A few moments later.
Hell, what is that? Blow.
Zohaib, don't!
Zohaib.
I knew it. I knew you would do it. ये ले.
ये हंसने की बात है बहुत. 31 no shield. People in agency.
Broke his shield.
Maybe.
White. Knocked him.
20 knocked him. This guy's one shot. This guy's one shot. This guy's one. Knocked him. 31. Knocked. Killed them.
People on our east side. He's, I think so, rebooting him. Means reviving him.
Knocked him. One guy.
I did not let him revive him.
Where? Muslim, I don't know where. I don't know where you're talking.
There.
There's people in the water. There's still people in the water. $30.
Yeah, heavy
Where are
sniper
you
के-
guys?
Oh bhai, how is he hitting me for this much?
Oh my god.
Push this guy, everyone push this guy, all of you.
आ रहा हूँ.
21. Mehdi, can you come here?
7 people.
Nigga, we have to kill.
We killed a squad.
There's two people. Muslim आराम से.
किधर?
अबे 95, Muslim 95. Nice. One more guy. Muslim, Mehdi, can you come fast, man?
आ
I'm
रहा है.
coming. It's not like.
Acha, you have to come fast. You have to come fast.
Here's a
Come on,
rocket
come
launcher.
on.
Oh my god.
Muslim, बस आ जा पीछे आ जा. Muslim बस पीछे आ जा. Oh my god. Mehdi, revive me.
मेरे पास आ रहा फिर.
नहीं मुस्लिम मिलट. Zoeb तू मुस्लिम को हेल्प कर. Man, he has a rocket launcher. Oh my god, I forgot. I have.
I'm out of
Just
max.
come here. Everyone come here.
बोलो.
All of you come here.
I don't have match. Somebody match spare कर दो यार.
क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
अच्छा छोड़ जोन आ रहा.
Zoeb मुझे
He's
कैरी
down,
कर.
he's down.
Zoeb मुझे कैरी कर. जोन में लेकर था.
I'm gonna shoot him.
He used launch pad.
Broke his
Okay,
shield.
Okay. Just revive me.
We have to push him. Mehdi, you and I have to push him.
Yeah. Zoeb मुझे बस यहाँ. Nice, Zoeb. Good.
Oh my god, I don't have match. Oh my god.
मुस्लिम बस पीछे आ जा. छोड़ दे. I'll give you match.
Somebody give him match, fam. What is this?
Anybody has medkit?
Bandages है.
I don't have.
हाँ, bandages is better. Anybody has minis?
I have minis. I'll give you.
Just come here. Everyone just come here. We don't know if you all push him together, we'll kill him.
This Niba is healing us, fam. I don't like it.
Abey, I don't care if you like it. He'll kill us. Okay, he's very good. Anybody has minis?
नहीं.
Anybody has
Mehdi
minis?
gave you, na?
Hey, does anybody have heavy sniper के ammo?
Abey, man, I was killing him.
He's full white.
21. One shot. Just push him.
Done. Kill. I have the rocket launcher now.
I see the last guy.
मैं मारूंगा.
चुप था यार.
कहाँ है?
I see him.
132. Zoeb जा मार.
It's okay. मार लो तुम लोग. मैं मजाक कर रहा था.
नहीं तू मार जा. He's over here. I hit him 132.
Let's go.
Let's go, fam.
शुक्र भी वो